Need more data on your SafeLink phone? As of September 2025, T-Mobile operates SafeLink, offering several ways to add data beyond your base plan. The main methods are the SafeLink app, USSD codes, and the online refill portal. Each provides a way to purchase additional data, ranging from $5 for 1 gigabit to $20 for 10 gigabits. The app offers the most user-friendly experience with one-tap refills and real-time data tracking. USSD codes provide a no internet required option. The online portal allows refills via credit debit cards or PayPal. Adding data ensures continued access to essential online services. Remember that data refills are capped at $50 per month. First, the SafeLink app. Download it from the App Store or Google Play, log in, and select Refill. Choose your desired data amount and payment method. For USSD codes, dial 611 for customer service or use plan-specific codes like 288 SHAC for data refill prompts. Finally, for online refills, go to safelink.com or my.tmobile.com, log in, and select your data add-on. Regardless of the method, confirm the transaction and check your data balance to ensure the refill was successful. Choose the method that best suits your situation and connectivity.